Well, howdy folks, this is good buddy Bob at Kingdom Horse Trailers, Henderson, North Carolina. I just wanted to take a peek today and show off this beautiful Shadow. This is a 24-foot Pro Series stock trailer. So this is the upgraded version of the Shadows. Pro Series gives you 6 feet 9 inches wide. This is 7 feet 6 inches tall. Again, this is a stock trailer. The Pro Series also affords you an aluminum plank floor versus the wood flooring. This one is 24 feet with the 4-foot tack room. So it's two 10-foot box stalls in the stock area, 4 feet of tack room up front with saddle racks, finished carpet up in the gooseneck area. So this is a great combination trailer for those that have multiple uses for trailering. So an all aluminum trailer, we've got it discounted at about $6,000 off. So contact me at 919-930-6127 or check it out at our website, www.nchorsetrailers.com. All right, as we move away from up front, although here we have the manual jack matching spare tire for you. These are on 16-inch wheels. This is that 4-foot tack room we spoke of. It's got a straight wall on it with bridle hooks. Lots of space here for your gear. Those are all removable. Just lift up and out if you needed this extra space right here. And then 6 feet 9 inches wide up in the gooseneck area. If you want to do a little primitive camping, you always have the option of adding an air conditioning unit, electricity to these, which we do in our series, which is called the Eventer. We do have load lighting for the tack area here. And moving down the trailer, this is fully extruded siding all the way down up into those open slats. The neat thing about these, let's go ahead and open this up. Now these slats are railed, so you can, down at that end, you can insert some plexiglass pieces, 1/8 thick inch thick on those plexi inserts. You can get them clear, you can get them tinted. But that extruded siding is really going to take care of things for you as far as scratching and upkeep. We get that nice straight wall. This is sort of our side entry door. Again, this is 6'9" wide, 7.5 feet tall, just like our Pro Series horse trailers. Now this one is going to come in at about 4,400 pounds empty. Okay, so we have a switch here for our load light up at the top, tie backs for all the doors, and then there's those rails again to show where you can insert the plexi should you want to enclose this during inclement weather. All right, here is our full rear gate as well as the half slider. We'll open this up. Of that, auctions and so forth, you need that little half door, or of course you're going to be able to open this completely up, giving us that full opening in the back. Again, 6'9" wide, 7.5 feet tall, perfect for livestock and horses. There is our aluminum plank flooring throughout. So now we're looking at a 10-foot box. If we go up and open this up, we do have lighting. Easy handle. Push this back into place. Now folks, we are looking at 20 feet of hauling space in an all aluminum trailer. You have your door up front for easy entry for yourself, and then this beautiful box, making two 10-foot box stalls. Rubber bumper on the back. Looking down the driver's side, fully extruded down that way. And of course the larger white part up front is your 4-foot tack room. Slider windows in the gooseneck, sitting on dual 7,000-pound axles. Each one has a brakes, so brakes on both axles. Folks, this one is available at a great price. Financing, nationwide delivery is available. Hope you'll give me a call, Bob, 919-930-6127, www.nchorsetrailers.com, open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5.